Welcome back to Get Funky, and today we're going to be fixing a broken Nintendo Switch. Very broken. So this Nintendo Switch turns on, but it keeps showing the low battery symbol, even though we're charging it. And we have so many Nintendo games, and we don't want them to go to waste. So we're going to try various tips and tricks to fix them. So, step one, we're just going to turn it on. Just try and turn it on. So now you can see what we're dealing with here, and as you can see right here, it just keeps showing that. So now you know what the problem is, time to fix it. So get those gloves on. Okay, now let's clean it with a cotton bud. So basically, we're just gonna clean up a cotton bud with alcohol gel, pinch it, and clean the socket. So maybe it's not charging properly since it's dirty. So here we have some Torque. I don't even know what it is. It's just hand sanitizer, as you can see right there. Yeah, it's nothing really that much. So we're just gonna put it on here, as you can see right here. Let's go zoom in here. Look. And then I'll just pinch it so it's just light and, just pinch it really. And then dry with a tissue, obviously. So let's just dry it out. And let's try and turn it on now. Okay, shows Nintendo symbol, still working. But it still shows the low battery symbol. Okay. So now we're going to try a different lead cable. So maybe that could be the problem. So we're going to charge it with another lead. Or, in your case, maybe, you can charge with the Nintendo lead if you keep using your own lead. So let's try this lead. I'm just going to see if it charges first. It should show the charging symbol, but it's not there. So let's try and turn it on. See if it's charging. And no, it doesn't. So remember, our aim is to see the charging symbol when we charge it. So now we're going to turn on using turning on sequences. So this one, 20 seconds. You have to wait 5 seconds. Press the on button, the plus button, and the minus button at the same time for 20 seconds. And then wait 5 seconds. And then press the on button and see if it works. Okay, in our case, it doesn't work. This one, same thing, but just different combination. So that didn't work, so now we're just gonna take everything off to see if it will just work, basically. What I mean by that, just take everything off since these controllers use a lot of battery. So, yeah. And as you can see, you can notice that the switch isn't even coming on anymore. So, we could have just broke it even more. Take out any SIM cards, SD cards, anything like that. And, yes, now we're gonna charge it for a Nintendo lead for about maybe a day or more than 6 hours. So charge it for a day. Let's see what happens now. It should in theory work, I guess.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's been a real whole day. So let's have a look. Let's open it up. Let's see if it can turn on, since that would be really good if it did. So let's turn it on. Also gonna try a different combination as well. So unfortunately, this Nintendo Switch did not come on. So yeah, it's broken. And I'm sorry for all those Nintendo games you have there. You won't be able to use them. But good news is, since your Switch isn't working, and if your warranty is still valid, then maybe you can send it back for another Nintendo Switch. So in my case, my warranty is over. So there's one place I can put it in, and that is the bin. Okay, seriously, we decided to actually give it to Nintendo to see what the problem is. that it was water spillage. Yeah, okay, well, that's definitely my fault. So you can send the Nintendo Switch back, and they'll give you a new one, although you do have to pay if your warranty is over. But basically, well, if you want a Nintendo Switch that badly and you got all those Nintendo games, well, don't feel bad to get another one since Nintendo Switch is a good console, I guess. What happens if it doesn't fix? So, yeah, that's it, really. Yeah, that's it. Yes,